FULIONG Textile Technology Company Limited is a professional textile company specialized in researching, developing, manufacturing, and distributing special functional textile materials. With the help of advanced design methods and concept and capitalizing upon years of research and application in the high-tech raw materials field, FULIONG has manufactured and marketed a wide range of series of personal and industrial protection fabrics and products with excellent quality, such as permanent flame retardant fabric, cut-resistant fabric, aluminized fabric, reflective fabric, and RFID block fabric. FULIONG strictly follows each client's specific requirements and provides clients advanced functional fabrics and products made from all kinds of high-performance fibers: aramid, UHMWPE, PI, glass fiber, basalt fiber, etc. These patented products have filled in the gap of the high-end functional fabric market and are widely used in firefighting, petroleum exploring, iron and steel smelting, automobile manufacturing, diving and mountain climbing, competitive sports such as swordplay, ice hockey, and short track speed skating. FULIONG is an innovation-oriented enterprise with high technological expertise that is developing the best in high-performance products, strictly guided by the international standard. FULIONG, your customized solution and protection, warmly welcomes your visit and commerce all the time.